Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I discussed with you about NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation, and its scheme, Performance and Credit Rating Scheme. Today I will discuss one more scheme implemented by NSIC. Through this scheme of marketing assistance, NSIC is going to help micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs in marketing of their products. There are different objectives of this marketing assistance scheme. So the first objective of marketing assistance scheme is to enhance marketing capabilities and competitiveness to the MSME. The first objective is to increase the marketing capabilities and competitiveness of MSME so that they can stand in the competition with big industries also to showcase the competencies of MSME. Second objective of this scheme is to show the efficiencies and effectiveness of the MSME, means micro, small and medium enterprises, to update MSMEs about prevalent marketing scenario, to update, to give information to MSMEs about changes in the business environment, like what economic, social and political changes are coming in our business environment and what will be the impact of such changes on business activities. To facilitate information to consortia of MSME, to give information to the consortia means to the group of micro, small and medium enterprises, that where they can sell their product, where is more demand of their products, to provide a platform to MSME for interaction with large institutional buyers, as micro, small and medium enterprises are not able to make a direct contact with the institutional buyers. So marketing assistance scheme is providing them a platform. Through that platform, these MSMEs can make a contact with the institutional buyers and can sell their products directly to institutional buyers. To disseminate various programs of government, providing information about different programs started by the government to MSME, to enrich marketing skills of micro, small and medium enterprises. Last but very important objective of marketing assistance scheme is to increase the knowledge and skill of MSMEs so that they can come forward and can achieve their goals with the help of different training programs. So students, these are the different objectives of marketing assistance scheme through which marketing of MSME could be improved. Now I will discuss with you one more agency started by our government for the benefit of small scale enterprises, that is District Industries Center, DIC. This program was launched by our government on May 1, 1978 to provide services and facilities to micro, small and medium enterprises. So, the main objective of district industry centers are identification of suitable schemes. Different schemes are launched by our government time to time. So, district industry center help micro, small and medium enterprises in identification of the suitable scheme, that which scheme will be suitable to which enterprise. Next is preparation of feasibility reports. Organizations like micro, small and medium going to start different projects, then district industry center provide them information about the feasibility, means possibility of their project, that how much successful their project will be. So DIC prepare a report on the projects which MSME are going to start and tell them about their feasibility, that such projects will be possible or successful or not. Arranging for credit, machinery and equipment. DIC make arrangement for the credit, means loan, and machinery, equipment, different type of technology required by MSME is made available by DIC. provision of raw materials and other extension services. Whatever raw material and any other services required by MSME is also made available by District Industries Center. So in this way students, NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation, through its performance and credit rating scheme and marketing assistance scheme, they are helping micro, small and medium enterprises to be get success in the coming future. And in the same way, DIC, District Industry Center, is also contributing, providing services and facilities to small scale industrialists. Now students, I am moving towards next topic, that is entrepreneurship development. What is entrepreneurship development? It means improvement in the knowledge and skill of the entrepreneurs with the help of training and classroom programs. So under entrepreneurship development, entrepreneurs are given different type of trainings and classroom training is also given so that their knowledge and skills can be improved. Term entrepreneurship is closely related to entrepreneur and enterprise. What is the meaning of entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who combines four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and enterprise, and earns profit from it. This is called as entrepreneur. So by giving training and skill, we can improve the knowledge. By giving training, we can improve knowledge and skills of the entrepreneur. This is called as entrepreneurship development. Thank you students.